This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, October the 28th, 2012. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough over the Great Lakes down into the south, but the main attention is going to be on Sandy, just off the North Carolina coast between it and Bermuda, strengthening with the pressure dropping into the 960 millibar range. But around here it's going to be sunny, partly to mostly sunny, and that'll extend into Monday as Sandy starts to become extratropical or post-tropical as it begins to swing back to the west. Around here there could be a few flurries or showers up in Minnesota, but Tuesday, early Tuesday, it makes landfall. It moves inland into western Pennsylvania and Maryland. Still around here, highs in the 40s to lower to mid-50s around here. Wednesday, still seeing Sandy now up into southern New York State, maybe near Binghamton. Still clear and calm around here. And Thursday, we have the remnants of Sandy up into Quebec and Ontario. Still could see some scattered showers and some fairly windy conditions across the area over there. And on Friday, we still have Sandy over the north and east, but in a much weaker state. And around here, temperatures start to warm up. We start seeing highs well into the 50s. And maybe by this weekend we could see maybe 60 again. But we could also see some moisture returning, so we could see a scattered shower perhaps. We'll see about that. A week from today, you see a disturbance moves along a pretty zonal flow across the country, except for this small little dip in the middle part of the country around us. And that could bring a system in that could bring some showers around, especially early in the day on Sunday, and then clearing out Sunday night, next Sunday night, not tonight. We head into Voodoo here on November the 8th. We have a pretty significant system over New England, so it could be another one. Not as strong as Sandy is going to be, but a 984 millibar low in New England, that could bring some wet snow and some rain and some wind, so it's not looking good for them over there. Around here, fairly quiet. And then, if you thought that was bad, here at the end of the forecast on the 12th, this looks even worse. A bigger system over New England, a fairly deep trough as well, and this could bring even more wind and more rain and more snow, and so we have Sandy and a probability of two others into November. We'll see about that. But last night's satellite image, we have to look at the one we have now. Sandy off the Carolina coast well to the east. We have a few high and mid-level clouds around here producing a flurry or two, and a few clouds with some rain and snow up in the northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, freeze warnings in the middle part of the country down into Oklahoma and Texas, winter weather advisories in North Dakota and Minnesota, and then a plethora of warnings for wind, flooding, and whatnot over in the east. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation will be with Sandy off to our east, where upwards of 4 to 10 inches of precipitation are possible, and across the Pacific Northwest.